Sailing from Fort Lauderdale to Green Turtle Key took about 27 hours in all. Now it's time to explore this amazing part of the Bahamas.
Brittany has a personalized coffee cup at a patron center. I didn't get one, but you know, whatever. No big deal. Coffee.
Thank you.
To my non-lazy wife that's laying around. We anchored at this place called Nunjack Key, which is really cool, or Manjack Key. We stayed there for a night. They had like 25 out of the north. It was really protected. So, and then we cruised down to Green Turtle, and we've come into Black Sound. Right here, we're at the very bottom of Black Sound on a ball. The balls here are 20 bucks a night. A place called Donnie's Marina. You don't have any like amenities or anything, but we are stuck here basically waiting on winds. So we could have gone back out into the Sea of Abaco and just jumped back and forth, hiding from the winds that are just shifting all over, and they're at about 20 to 25 knots. Or just stay in the little protected harbor that we're at, and we decided to do that. We went ahead and got the golf cart rented. We're gonna go exploring and do some shopping, like for groceries and stuff like that. So until hopefully soon, but I think it's about 4 more days until we get a weather window, which is when we will come out of Black Sound here and we will come down south. We might go to No Name Key, which is where the pigs are. I don't know, we might, it depends on the weather. Or we could just continue on, and this is Whale Key. Whale Key is widely known to be very dangerous out here. You're not supposed to go out there without local knowledge and without we don't want any east winds there. The big problem here is you get a rage because of the way that the ground is shaped. It goes from really deep to really shallow quickly, and you get a rage there that can push you into the shoals, the reefs, anything over there. So I've even heard of big ships getting knocked over here. It's a pretty big deal, and from what I've read in the guide to Abaco, it's pretty much the only place in the Abacos that can limit you. But in the meantime, we're going to enjoy. This is not a bad spot to be stuck at. We're going to enjoy the island. We dinghy in, dinghy out. Bella loves it because she can go potty on the ground. Reese loves it. He's gotten to play with some kids already, so we're just going to enjoy the time we have here.
It was so cool to hop off the boat in a new country. We didn't fly here, we sailed here. I'll never get over this feeling. Let's go explore this adorable little town.
You're gonna be on it. You like that? All right, I'll follow you.
Pop a wheelie! Woo! There we go! That's awesome! It's Christmas time, so the town is buzzing with celebrations. We were having a bit of our own fun with this little golf cart though. Every turn was a place we hadn't been. It was so worth the cheap rental to get around more easily. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. We found this sweet little beach bar on the opposite side of the island. Reese made a new friend from Germany while here. 2 little guys that couldn't understand a word each other said were playing in the sand like they were best friends. Now this is truly special. Attempting this very steep hill. Hold on. Oh, we're getting some speed.
Alright, we got I'm going around.
How you doing, Ted?
I gotta hold on, man. I almost went off the back.
Don't go off the back.
Alright, this go-kart doesn't have a lot of power. Hold on.
Oh, gosh. You're gonna make it.
Don't slow down. Come on.
We're doing it.
Come on, baby. I'm taking it wide.
Oh, we made it.
Have a good one.
Oh, that was fun. That was amazing.
For a second, I didn't know if we'd make it.
We rented a golf cart on Green Turtle Key, and pretty cool. We kind of followed the signs for this little like beach bar type thing on the north side. We just went there and it was awesome. We had a great time, nice and relaxing. Reese got to meet a little boy and play with him. We got to drink and have some beers. We talked about bringing the boat right up to the dock. That would be really amazing to do. So now we're on the way home before the sun comes down, and we are going to try to find our way home 15 turns later and hope for the best before the sun comes down. And then once we drop the golf cart off, we have to walk back to the boat. It's been a good time.
Can't do that.
Oh,
Yeah, Dad.
Ted went off the back.
Dad! You alright? Stick it in the hole, baby.
Key
Stick it
drop
in the
off.
hole. There we go.
That was fun. Did you have
Bye,
fun?
golf cart.
Hey, Ted, you ready to roll or do you want me to get your phone?
Yeah, that would be good.
Dad, what happened?
I literally fell off.
You alright? Did you fall?
No, it's all good.
It was time to say goodbye to Ted. He was so wonderful to come along with us for the Gulf Stream crossing. Until the next time, Ted, cheers. Right now the winds are from the east. The local knowledge has told us do not go when it's from the east. Till then, I'm planning out, since we have some time here, we can get like a golf cart. They'll bring it to us for free for like a day or two. And I'm gonna grab some groceries, just going through the book. There's this famous pineapples place that you can go to, so we're gonna check that out. And there's about 3 little grocery stores, so I'm just gonna take pictures with my phone so I have the name of it, and then we'll go to those stores. The Bluff House is another one, which we already went to the first day that we got here with Ted. That was a lot of fun. And then there's the Yacht Club. This is our excitement. Get it.
Oh, he's alert. He's alerted himself.
Oh,
Oh, there you go. Yeah, I got him.
good
Oh, he's still
shot.
kind of alive. He's flipped upside down. He's stunned.
One shot wonder.
Look at that.
Ew.
Here, Belle.
I was just gonna say, if
You
we
wanna
had
eat
a
it?
cat, they'd probably eat
You
it.
want to eat it? I was like, you're disgusting. Are you ready to go?
No, I'm watching. We're waiting on Reese.
Look at this.
What are you doing?
I ripped my toe. But that's skin. That's like dead skin hanging off my toe.
Ew! It's just been sitting there.
It was a huge hole.
You're sleeping in our bed with that, so it can
Yeah.
roll around our sheets.
You know, like when I was rubbing your legs with my feet, I was just dragging my skin.
I thought you were gonna show me all the bug bites.
I was trying to pull it, and it's just pulling. Come over here and bite this off.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Yeah.
Is that the worst part of better or worse?
Look at it.
Better.
It's like I should name that thing. You can wipe your ass with it.
I thought you were gonna show me bug bites. I'm tore up.
I gotta get some fingernail clippers.
Do you have a ton of bug bites?
Yeah, I'm lit up.
Me too.
They don't play around. They're like fresh meat.
Oh my gosh. I feel like it's my second husband. Well, I thought he was gonna show me one of his 1,000 bug bites that we all have. After 3 days of getting completely torn up by bugs, I've decided to pack a to-go bag and include bug spray along with our sunscreen. Well, there's an all-natural one in there for Reese.
Oh, not too bad.
Right there. All natural. And then ours is just full of things to infest our body with.
We don't care about that stuff. My body's been so polluted over the years with fuel and high fluid and fumes and shit farms and shit ponds and.
You're just like, screw it.
I live next to a burn pit in Iraq that we used to walk out of our area at 2 o'clock in the morning on the way to go do stuff, and there'd be like a haze of smoke along the ground that would like hover. So I've been so polluted, so a little bit of bug spray is not gonna hurt me. I'm pretty much immune. I'm either immune to everything in the world or it's gonna catch up to me. Here comes a dinghy. Let's get the binos and look who they are. They're right here.
That's the thing that boaters do, right? They all watch you through the binoculars. There's the dinghy.
There he goes. Did I see a kid? It's either a kid or a dog, or just no, it's just a person. Oh look, I think it might be our neighbors.
Oh, hello neighbor. Ugh, you're stuck under the boat. Okay. Waiting on your cue, Captain. Pull that sucker. Usually like third time's a charm. Just because it's brand new doesn't mean it works good.
And these little, I need to take it out, open it up.
You're building side ab. It's taco, baby.
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Locking up.
Yeah, buddy. Our little island car. You guys ready?
Ready. Oh, you need the sunglasses? It's like sunset. This is the first of many beaches that Reese will get to explore. The beginning of an amazing journey that just might take us all the way around the world.
Hey Reese, come here. You want to see something cool?
Yeah, there's a little snail that lives in here. Look.
But what was in the snail?
Woo! All right. Look, look, look. That's a snail. It's alive in there. And this is the snail shell.
What
That's what protects it.
snails do?
What do snails do?
They're like slugs.
Yeah. Super fast. Go, 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 go. Just driving along in the golf cart, we kind of were just looking around and like down this little hole, almost like I saw this beautiful beach. It reminded me of a Hawaii beach, like Sunset Beach. So we pulled in and it's really like a private, secluded beach. There's some rocks up top, but oh my gosh, it's amazing. It's breathtaking. The sand feels like a powdered sponge. I can't believe there isn't like a resort behind us or something. It's just untouched beauty, really. We gotta take some pretty pictures here.
That's cool.
Just found this little spot. It's like a desk out here that somebody made, and it looks like they just enjoy their scenery. If I was to sit here, that's what I'd be seeing. It's pretty amazing. I could live here forever. I think that table can fit me. I can sleep there. It's fine.
Calypso.
You want to write Reese? Okay, hold it like a tattoo. R-H-Y-S.
You gotta pick a spot on the wall. You got the stapler.
Woo.
Get it.
Heavy duty. All right, you pick where we're
Okay.
gonna stick it.
What's with all the dollars?
Well, They started that in 1964. Actually, the Green Club was opened in 1964.
Okay.
And they started at about 64, anywhere between 64 and 65. And it was 3 guys that came in from Vietnam.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. And they started right on the wall over there. And ever since, everybody's been coming in,
That's
placing
so
their
cool.
dollars.
This
They
is
write their
neat.
names and the date on it.
Oh my gosh, how much money do you think's here?
I always tell people, I feel like it's between 5 and 7. A lot of people say, you have some people that say they think it's 10,000, but
Oh my gosh, that's so
because it
cool.
goes down layers.
It's even in here.
Yes.
What do you think about coming back in the night?
That's good. It's dark out here, man.
The
Beautiful,
Christmas
though.
lights on the boat are a nice addition.
Oh, it's beautiful. Everything's beautiful. I was a little worried about the dinghy. Sometimes when you leave a dinghy at a dock, it will, like, the current will push it under the dock and then the tide will rise, and then I've seen dinghies get crushed under there and you can't get it out. Once the tide's up, you're not getting that dinghy out. But ours got pushed under the dock, which I thought might happen, but the tide hadn't come up enough, which I thought about that and I was like, I don't think it'll come up enough, but it didn't, so we're good. So I'm just making sure everything's good. I lock the dinghy every night just because, you never know. And I would bring it up, which is amazing because you don't have growth on your dinghy.
Essential for dinghying in the night, a headlamp, right?
Absolutely.
Makes it a lot easier.
If you don't have the light, man, it's so hard. And if you have to hold a flashlight, you lose the hand.
We had a couple of days until the weather changed for our passage, so we spent the time settling into this quaint little town. Need a couple groceries. I'm gonna try to make a slow cooker lasagna tonight. Let's see what they have. I've checked out, they have like 3 grocery stores on the island. I've checked out all 3, and I think this one has the most options, but they're all pretty expensive. So let's go look. Shopping in the Bahamas is expensive but doable. Some foods are easier to come by than one would think. It's not as bad as we have been told, that's for sure. So we grabbed a few items to help top off the boat. Coming up on the Lazy Geckos. Really enjoyed it. Tomorrow,
The whale! Loss of AC voltage sense, fault number 27.
We pretty much destroyed the crew.
hello ladies.
Hi.
Your men are getting a workout back there.
You're doing good though.
You enjoying your mimosas?
All gone.
All gone.
Need more.
I know. Husband is asleep. He came on our boat and gave us some tips. After our overnight sail.
Honey, you did a good job on your t-shirt. No, maybe I should let him do that.
Our episodes are fueled by Patreon. See how you can be a part of our journey at patreon.com/lazygeckos. Want to get behind the scenes? Follow us on Instagram. There's tons more fun to see on our Vimeo channel. You can find the link in the description below.